Yeah, good morning, everyone. So this is Rakesh Roshan here. I work as assistant professor at RGKT IIIT Basar, Telangana. So in this session, let us try to understand how do we incorporate mathematical expressions into Google Forms. So generally, it's there is no direct provision of incorporating mathematical expressions in Google Form. So we will try to work out on a simple mechanism, free. It's easy to use. It's free and it's very handy. So let's explore that. So to start off, let's go to the Google Forms. So forms.google.com. Let me open a blank form. So let me name it. Yeah, so just for our understanding. Okay, so let's get started. So for this, what we use a free tool which is called as Codecogs. So let me just say it again, Codecogs. Just put it, and then you can see Codecogs, www.codecogs.com, online LaTeX equation editor. Click on that. So now here you can see, you can do a lot of things. Let me just show you three different things. Okay, so let's put a polynomial. So let's type that. So now let's get started. So x to the power 3 plus 3x square let me just rewrite this. So x power 3 is perfect. So let me just say plus, and then let me put x square so 3x square plus something, let's say 2x plus 6. So now you can see as you type in here, so I'm using this one, the first one, x to the power a. So there are a lot of things. We'll explore some of these right now. So you can see this is the expression that you wanted to type, and you can see here the expression. So come down, look at the, these are the different formats in which you can export this expression: HTML, URL, LaTeX, WordPress, a lot of things. So if you are well versed with LaTeX, you can just put this LaTeX. But right now, for our Google Forms, to incorporate this in our Google Forms, I'll use URL. So click on URL, copy this. Let me copy that. Go back to this. So let us say your question is solve the following. So now here you can see next to that you have an image, right? So click on the image, and here upload camera by URL. Go to by URL, and then whatever you have copied from Codecogs, paste it here. The moment you paste it, you can see the expression coming over here. So insert the image. So basically that expression gets converted to an image, and you have the mathematical expression here as an image. You can give the options. So x is equal to something. So I'll just say, just for showing you, right? So I don't want to solve it right now. Okay, so I'll just put something, and x is equal to something else. I have to make it a quiz. So okay, let me just make it a quiz, and let us assume that the second option is correct. Right now I'm not worried what is the answer. So our worry is right now to see how do we incorporate mathematical expressions. So yes, polynomials we have incorporated. Let me just so let's see how do we solve integrals. So let's go back to this. Let's erase all of this. So let's see how do we incorporate integral. So now here you can see integral. You can have integral with limits, without limits, closed integral with limits, all of the double integral, square roots, differentiation, double differentiation, partial differentiation, d square by dx square. Let's work on this. So integral. So What are the limits? So limits, let us say, are from 0 to 1. Put it in that braces. So what's the expression? Let's say integral 3x square dx. Let's keep it simple. So 3. So once again, x square means, pick this up. So x square. So x comes here and then the 2 goes there. So 3x square and then simply write dx. That's enough. So here you can see integral 0 to 1 3x square dx. As simple as that. Okay. Once again, come down here, URL. If you want the, so right now I'll just use a URL, Control C, go back to my mathematical expressions. Go back to my Google form, and then once again, picture, click on here, click this, by URL, and then Control V, paste this URL. So you can see this is what is your query. So try, give the options. So I guess it is x cubed by 3. So 1, answer is 1. So let me put 0, let me put 1, let me put 2, and you can give the answer key. So I know 1 is the answer. So 1 point, that's okay. So polynomials is over, integrals is over. Now let us say you want to incorporate a matrix, a matrix. So let's see how do we do it. Let's say you want to obtain the determinant. You can, add matrices, multiply matrices, all that you could do. So let me right now just to show. So once again, go back to this, erase all of that. And here you can see, matrix here. So now you want to put it in a proper matrix form. So let me click this. Enter the array dimensions. So rows and columns. So let's make it 2 by 2. Let's make it 2 by 2 for simplicity. So, okay. So now begin matrix, end matrix, don't worry about all of that. So before the ampersand, you have to put the numbers. So let's say 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. Let's just do, So as you have completed typing in, so you can see the matrix, the required 2 by 2 matrix. So once again, URL, copy this and come here and then by URL, Control V, you can see your matrix. And 4 minus 1, so answer is 1. So let's put 0, let's put let's give some options, -1, let's get 1. Okay, let's say the answer is 1, right? So yeah, click this, so done. So polynomials, integrals, matrices, as I have told you, you can incorporate the square roots, limit extends to, you can put fractions, tiny fractions, so all the summations. So you can put the functions also, sine theta, cos theta, all that you can incorporate. Okay, and it need not be in what do you say, black color. So in here, if you see, all the equations are in black color. So if you want to just for a change, you want to have some coloring, you can do that. So just simply choose the color. Let us say I'll just choose blue. So let me now just to show you. So let me just say, okay, let me erase everything just for a moment. So color, I'm choosing blue, and let me type in x. Okay. So now you can see, as I type in, you can see the expression has taken the form of that color. So like this, you can just explore it. So first click the color and then write whatever you want. So plus 2x plus 1, just for showing. And once again, same thing, Control C, come back to your this thing. Just for our understanding. So once again, no change. So you can have it colored also. So this is a beautiful tool, the Codecogs. So polynomials, integrals, differentials, lot of them are there, symbols and all the signs, matrices. Please explore them. As I've said, all the functions are there, sine, cos, and all of that. Please explore this. This is a freely available tool, and so you can preview. Let's quickly preview this. So yeah, polynomials done, integrals done, matrices done, and colored expressions also done. So like this, we can explore all of this. So once again, completely free Codecogs, and please explore it and have a good time. So yeah, so take care. Have a good day.